How to make money using Sora AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can make money using Sora AI. So there is a two best ways to make money from Sora AI. The first way was you will simply generate videos using Sora AI. Like you can generate videos. After that you will simply create account on TikTok and Instagram, and once you create account, after that you will simply upload the videos on daily basis. And once you upload, after some time your account will be monetized, and once your account is monetized, you can get ads revenue. Also, the second method was you guys can create YouTube account, and after that you guys can edit Sora AI videos. And once you edit it, and after that you will simply upload it as a long video, short videos. And you guys can, when your channel is monetized, you guys can earn money using YouTube ads revenue. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.